So this is the Cartek rain light from MSEL. This is now a requirement for Manfeild racing down for the Manawatu Car Club. It's still only recommended from Motorsports New Zealand for other racing series, but never mind. It's all installed, ready to go for the winter series. This is a bit of a look of the install. There are two options, a solid red light and a flashing red light, which goes off 4 times a second. Right, so new FIA grade flashy lighty thingy for the brakes and rain lights. See how it looks. If I turn the lights on, we get flashy. Excellent. Right, now if we jam this against the brake, we get solid. Everything goes solid. Turn the lights off, still stays solid. Take the brake off. Lights are off. Sweet.